Rilla was appealing from the get-go. It allowed us to do a ride-along, use it as a coaching opportunity, have the actual salespeople coach themselves, and also we are even able to use it during our training process for virtual ride-alongs for new trainees coming on board. My name is Brett Cohen. I'm the CEO and owner of Kitchen Saver of Maryland, DC, and Virginia. Kitchen Saver is a kitchen remodeling company focused on cabinet refacing and custom cabinet replacement.
Before, we would have to actually physically go out on ride-alongs with all these salespeople. And since we've partnered with Rilla, we have been able to do an infinite amount more ride-alongs with salespeople. Instead of having to go to the homeowner's house with the salesperson, Rilla Voice is a voice analytics software.
What Rilla actually allows us to do is keep people involved in our process. It allows them to constantly be self-training, and it also allows the competitive nature of the salesperson to come through because you can actually see what your top performers are doing and compare them to each other.
Rilla's done a great job of not just capturing all this data, but also making it very digestible. Our net close is up over 10% across the board, and a majority of that has to do with the extra touch points, the extra coaching we're able to have with reps now that just didn't exist before.
I recommend Rilla Voice to every home improvement company business owner that I meet. The team is extraordinarily receptive, and they do view it as a partnership. It's foolish to not use a program like Rilla or have it as a tool in your resources.